Hello everyone, write down numbers from 1 to 6 as such. Then draw a line down the center, add circles all around it, and then add the eyes at the top along with the antenna. Once you are done with this, add the legs as well. This will be a ladybug. Now moving on to the number 2, add a little duck out of it. Add the little wings as well and don't forget to add the beak. Now out of the number 3, we will be making a bunny. Don't forget to add the bushy little tail at the back. Out of the number 4, we will be making a little hen. Then add the beak, the little tail, and then the top of the hen. Moving on to the number 5, we have made this little penguin. Lastly, with the number 6, we are making a snail out of it. Add a little swirly portion to the shell and then add the eyes. Next, fold over a sheet of paper and then add an almost ovular shape to it. However, this will be the shape of an apple. Then add the stem of the apple along with the leaves as such. Color it in using a green marker. Then take the same green marker and then color in the rest of the apple as well. This will be a green apple. Leave a small portion of it uncolored at the top to make the glistening effect. Now, on a piece of paper, draw on what looks like an ice cream scoop. Underneath it, add another square layer to it, or a rectangular layer, and then this will be the bottom of the cupcake. Make a check shape out of it and then color it in using a light brown or orange marker. Next, draw a little droplet-like shape and then on top of it, add a bushy-like shape. This will either be lettuce or any other such vegetable. Add the leaves to it and color it in. Next, start off by drawing the cylindrical shape and then connect it. In the little dented portion, draw on the bristles of the toothbrush. Right beside it, draw on the toothpaste. Draw this triangular shape and then add the bottom to it. Add curved lines to show the pattern on the toothpaste tube. Then draw on the toothpaste coming out of the tube. Add the lines to the toothbrush. Next, draw this rectangular shape and then at the top add a curved line. Add a little straw to it as well and then color in the fluid. Add boba. However, this is not how you draw it. Instead, draw an ovular, elongated shape at the top out of which a straw is coming out. Add little stripes to the straw and then underneath it, add little waves to signify the drink. Add a cute little smiley face to it as well and then at the bottom of your cup, add circles to signify the boba. Add little hands to it on either side to make it look all the more animated. Next, draw on multiple circles connected by a line on a sheet of paper. We have done this 6 times. Then, draw different types of vehicles. For the first one, we have chosen to draw a car. For the second, it is a rather elongated one. As for the third, it will be a truck. Now, moving on to the fourth one, we have chosen to draw a bus with multiple windows as such. As for the fifth vehicle, we will be making an ambulance. So, draw on a van with multiple windows and then add a cross shape in front of it as such. You may also draw on the number if you want to. Finally, moving on to the last vehicle, start off by drawing this particular truck-like shape to the front. Add a swirl at the bottom and then add a little ladder at the back. It is a fire truck. Next, draw a curved line on a sheet of paper and then add spiked teeth to it. Instead of drawing a person like this, start off by drawing the nose, add a curved back to it and then proceed on to draw the lips as such. Draw the line and elongate it. Thank you for watching.